Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Whether it's a delicious Thanksgiving turkey, ham or even a meatloaf, having the best electric knife ready to assist you is one less thing to think about on the day of your feast. Sharp, serrated blades cut the skin of meat better than any regular kitchen knife, according to the experts at Bon Appetit.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The quick sawing motion of the serrated blade actually cut the skin better than a regular knife. It didn't tear it, shred it, or pull it. An electric knife can also be handy with delicate terrines, a big roast, or loaves of country bread. But even if you just bust it out once a year, that's fine, too.
Take our lead.
Roasting a perfect turkey. Choose a fresh turkey instead of a frozen one. Roast 2 small turkeys rather than 1 large one. Brine the turkey. Rub soft butter under the skin. Truss loosely, or not at all. Roast the turkey upside down at first. Don't overcook it. Let the turkey rest before carving.
Take our lead.
Indeed, when you take the turkey out and you leave the thermometer in, the temperature will continue to rise for about 45 minutes. It will carry on cooking, so you must never cover the bird. Put it to the side and rest it for at least 1 hour.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Best electric carving knife UK. The electric carving knife has become a must-have kitchen tool, thanks to its usefulness and utility. For versatile use, look for a knife that has more than one blade or blade kit to cut everything from hard turkey to soft sandwich bread slices.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
But food experts say don't, repeat don't, wash the turkey before popping it in the oven on Thanksgiving Day. They say that could spread the germs lurking on your turkey in the kitchen sink or nearby food.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.